How to delete Threads account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your Threads app, and once you do that, you want to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are here, you need to click on the two lines at the top right corner and then click account, and here click on deactivate profile. Once you are on this page right here, click on the blue text that says learn more. And once you do that, this page will opens up, in which you need to scroll down till you find the end of this section. Now, as you can see right here, it says since Threads is powered by Instagram, in order to delete your Threads profile and data, you will have to delete your Instagram account. Note that we're looking into a way to delete your Threads profile separately. So, as you know, Threads is part of the Instagram app, and it has just been recently launched. So, as the time of this recording, the only way to delete your Threads account is by deleting your Instagram account, which will make your Threads account removed too. However, in the future, as they said right here, they are looking for a way to do this separately. But for now, you need to follow these steps to delete both your Threads and Instagram account. So click on the blue text that says delete your Instagram account, and then here you need to scroll down to this section that says to request the permanent deletion of your account from your mobile browser, and as you can see, it has this bold blue text that says delete your account. Click on it, and once you do that, this page will opens up, in which they will give you this drop down menu that you can choose a reason as to why you want to delete your account. So go ahead and choose whatever reason suits you the best, and after that you need to enter your password right here as a confirmation, uh, and after that, once you enter your password, you need to click on this blue button that says delete the account name, and as you can see, it tells you that your account and profile will be hidden until this date, and after that will be deleted, and both your Instagram and your Threads account will be both deleted. However, in the future, hopefully they will make it separately, where you will be able to delete only your Threads account and not your Instagram. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove your Threads account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.